To do a knitted cast on, first make a slip knot and place it on your needle. This cast on will be done on your left needle, so you will literally be knitting each stitch. So first knit into the slip knot and pull the stitch forward. Twist the stitch then so that the right leg will be situated in front of your needle. And you can keep your right needle in the back of the stitch so it's easier to pull those stitches through as you go. It becomes quite rhythmic just to pull the stitches through and twist them so that they are mounted correctly on your needle.